Hey there! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of space and exploring a particular celestial object, the nebula. First off, let's break down the term nebula. It's derived from the Latin word nebulosus, which means cloud-like. And that's exactly what a nebula is, a cloud of dust, gas, and other materials in space. But it's not just any cloud. Nebulas are huge, and they're found in space. Now, there are different types of nebulae, and they're classified based on their appearance. Let's look at some of these types. 1. Emission nebulae. These are clouds of gas that glow due to the energy emitted by hot, young stars within them. They're often bright and colorful, like the Orion Nebula, the Pleiades, and the Rosette Nebula. 2. Reflection nebulae. These are clouds of dust that reflect the light of nearby stars. They're often dim and diffuse, like the Coalsack Nebula and the California Nebula. 3. Planetary nebulae. These are the remains of a star that has died. They're often small, round, and bright, like the Ring Nebula and the Helix Nebula. 4. Supernova remnants. These are the remains of a massive star that has exploded. They're often large and irregular, like the Crab Nebula and the Veil Nebula. 5. Dark nebulae. These are dense clouds of dust that block out the light from background stars, creating dark patches in the sky. The Horsehead Nebula and the Bubble Nebula are examples of dark nebulae. Now, you might be wondering, why are nebulae important? Well, they're important because they're part of the life cycle of stars. They're also a great way to study the formation of stars and the evolution of the universe. They're also just plain fascinating, with their beautiful colors and shapes. So, there you have it, a brief introduction to nebulae. They're a fascinating part of the universe, and they're just one of the many wonders of space. Keep exploring the wonders of the universe.